Hey folks, do you like free lumber? Today I'm going to explain to you how to get some lumber without spending very much money. Maybe a little bit of elbow grease, but very little money. Buddy. Hey. Hi. Okay, so here I have a few pallets. And I'm going to use these. I'll show in a future video. I'm going to make a outhouse for one of our cabins on the up at the ranch out of these. But here you can see, and I got these for free, and I'll explain where in a second. But here I'll just show you some of the gems that I got from this last job we were on. Those are 6x6s. 16-foot pressure-treated 6x6 beams, which are worth a bit of money. And they, yeah, they were getting rid of all this stuff. And underneath that, where Buddy's sitting on one of them there, underneath where he's sitting is some 1x6, some 16-foot 1x6 that I'm gonna pull apart and pull some nails out of. And these are some older pallets I've had here for a while. And but they come in handy every so often. I can pull off some of this and use it if I need it. And I will show you a crown jewel of free lumber. So here behind me these are 2x6s. Those are 16-foot 2x6s as well. And these were all collected from another job site that my dad got and put a lot of effort into pulling nails out. But there's quite a stack there. And it's all, yeah, it was all being thrown out. So look at all the plywood here. It's got sheets and sheets of plywood. Okay. So if you know somebody or can get in contact with a company that is putting in processing plants in heavy industry, these machines that they use often come on pallets and skids. And that's the case with those 6x6s back there, were skids. All those 2x4s that I showed you before that my dad got all came from skids with equipment on them. So you can get this often for free. Taking them or getting them from these job sites is actually saving the company money because they don't have to pay to dispose of them. And these are often just going into shredders and chippers and stuff. They're not being reused or recycled in sort of a lumber capacity. They're going straight into hog fuel or something. So for you to take them, obviously you got to pull some nails and take them apart, which is, I get it, is a bit of work, but the wood is valuable. If you have some time, you have a pickup or trailer to go get them and have some time and some foresight, like with these ones I showed you here in behind me, like those ones on top, I'm gonna make those into an outhouse and have a vision for it. So yeah, better than going to the local lumber yard and having to buy 2x4s and stuff like that, and just get them for free, and have them almost pre-made walls there. So it's a bonus for me. Anyways, folks, thought you'd like to know that little tip there. If you can find these off of construction sites, and often they will give them away for free. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.